to repair my bike because yesterday this happened. Yeah, and I need to do something with this. And I was ready to go, and I thought, it will be somewhere where is many cool cafes which I like. I thought, I will give back for repair, and after I will go take coffee and something sweet, maybe cake. And after I understood that how I can do this if I will give my bike for repair. It means that they will take my bike maybe for 30 minutes, maybe for 2 hours, maybe for 1 day, and it will be impossible for me to go for cafe without bike because I don't want to actually take taxi. And I thought that right now I have 5 minutes and I have to find someone who will go with me to this repair, spend time with me, be with me all this time when I will try to repair my baby. And I text for 3 people, and actually for Russian people, because I use some Russian chats in Telegram with Russian tourists, people from Russia and who live on Thailand, and it's so sunny, it's so hot. I want to be in tent. So, and many people, many men, when they see any of my messages on this chat, they go to my account and they see my photo and they, oh my god, this girl is so hot. And many guys, every day, morning, midday, evening, they text me weird messages, but this guy, he texted me too, like 1 week ago. He said that he liked me, I'm so cool, he wanna know me better, and that's it. And so I text him too, can he help me with my bike? And he said yes. And so now I will go to this store, to this shop where I will repair my bike, and he will wait me in 10 minutes. He will meet me in real life. Okay, he repaired my bike. I give my bike for men and he will repair it. Actually, it's so cheap. And you know what? Well, I'm still waiting my new Russian friend. You know what is funny? I will show you. Damn! This is pool. Look, here is a big road. It's Chalong. And they made here pool. Okay, let's swim. This pool looks actually clean. This is so funny. I guess. Really? This pool is for swimming in Chalong City. Here is bike repair. You can see what is around. Nothing special. And they make here clear pool. Wow. Okay. If they want me to swim, I will. Okay, my friend, he is come and I will show him the Это я? Почему-то самое ужасное место. They repair my bike. Look, everything is okay now here. Now my baby is okay. Guys, hey, good morning. I came to the cafe, one of my favorite cafe with breakfast. I've been here in last video, and I ordered 3 styles of eggs, but at the same time I am actually not a lover of eggs. But I decided to try everything and I can't eat it anymore. I ordered omelette, I ordered scrambled, fried it, and it's a lot for me. I can't eat it because I'm not lover of eggs. Yes. I already swim on the beach, and now I came to another my favorite place with coffee near beach. I've been here about 5-6 times. I will read my book, and this man he bring me my coffee. Please here, yeah, this one. Yes, I will read my book, and my coffee is here, and the view. The name of this place is this Beachside Cup. I will show you more. This is another cafe where I've been last time. And this is the second one. Here is beautiful too. Yes. Guys, right now I came to one condo because here my teacher of English live, and so I will take I decided to take more lessons where I can improve my English because I really have aimed to speak in English so great, and yes, I came. Okay, I will show you our lesson.
First of all, I want to know everything you want from our classes. Your goal, your aim, and everything. And
Aim inside of me, I feel that I have to speak in English like a fluent, like a person, like Americans, like I don't know.
Nothing happens after two. It's true, my bad habits lead to you.
You will laugh on this, but I think that maybe it will be Thailand. My husband will be Thailand. I don't know.
Who?
Thailand.
a time.
Yeah,
Wow.
Thailand.
You have a boyfriend, a Thai boyfriend,
Yeah.
and you like it?
I was in love. It was like he was like a prince. I was in shock with like I fell in love with him from our first met. Hey guys. Right now I'm waiting new cleaner to my apartment. I decided to try a new one. He is cheap actually, and I thought like, why not? Some of my friends they give me this man as a recommendation for cleaner, but you know what is weird? That he communicate with me, he speak with me, like he like me. Well, it's okay that he already like me, but when cleaner sent for me emoji with heart, I feel uncomfortable. Okay, let's see. Okay, he cleaned all my room. Perfect. It's so clean and I can see it's like a mirror now. Okay, and by the way, this is like my room tour. This is house where I live. Now it's so clear, everything. This is my favorite bed. Actually just one, but already my favorite. Yeah. Here is bathroom, and yeah, this is my toy, this is my boyfriend. boyfriend Gosik. Yes. We sleep together all night. All night we are together. Even if even if I sleep with someone, he always with us. He always with me. Gosik. He's from IKEA. Hey bro. Sawadika. Okay. Yeah, this is my room. It's actually a big room, and I like this. Pew. Clean, clean, clean. But this, oh, I like big bed. Yes, I like big bed. Well, the man is already cleaned my room, cleaned my apartment, but at first I was really scared because he forgot all his equipment. Everything, he didn't bring it. But he cleaned my room. Okay, I came for a regular Thai cafe in Nia Road. And they bring me so sweet coconut actually. And my favorite dish, fried chicken with cashew nuts. But this is so hot. I know, I already tried it and here's a lot of oil. Thanks for watching my video, my favorite fans. And so in next video, I will try to make driver license from Thai driver license. My new Russian friend, he said for me that he will help me for do this, and so just in 4 days I will go to Bangkok. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and watch my videos, and go to Instagram. I made a lot of stories. I love you, I love you, I love you, and Chandra.
I stand in space.